Hi there again. This is Oscar again, and now we are continuing our video tutorial. And this time we're gonna have to create our fan page account. Okay, so last time we did create our personal account, and now we're gonna have to do our fan page. Okay, so first thing you wanna go is to right here on this button here, create, and you just need to create your, because see, as you can see here, there's a group that you can create, right? And that is basically what is it, fun page and the group for now. Okay, so there you go, you have to click that. Okay, if you're running a business, then you just need to go over on this left side hand here. Okay, and all you need to do is just click that button and then name that page, okay? That fan page. So, depending on what business you're running, so let's say, because I wanna associate this fan page to the website that I created last time. So I'm gonna have this a braided salon. That's what I'm gonna have to name it. Okay, braided salon, and category uh, beauty. Oh yeah, beauty, cosmetic, personal care. That's it, right? And then you just gonna have to type in your address. Okay, so basically you just want to be honest and uh, put your right address, right? So because Facebook will going to interview verify your account, right? But with me, I'm just wanna do this, for tutorial sake. So later on, I'm gonna have to delete this. Okay, Northwest T2K T2K 5E4. Then you just have to fill up this form for right. And then zip code is no. Anyway, copy. I think I did it wrong. City, Calgary. All right. Just fill up the form. It's nothing so serious in there. So you just want to have your uh, phone number because they're going to notify you about your account. So 158-422-4295. Okay. Don't show my address. You can do that. Don't show your address. Then we'll click that one. But if you're a business, you want to get your address, on your page. Okay. So basically, I'm not gonna do that. I'm not going to show my address because I'm just doing this for tutorial sample sake, right? There you go. Boom. Now you've created your fan page under the braided salon. See? So this is a different thing from your personal. This is where you can have your advertisement because this is more look professional and more tools that you can use to track your visitor and your analytics. This is way different from personal that you have, and it's totally different. And this thing you need to customize, the way your business, you know, how do you want your business, look like. So this is basically what it is. The next thing you want to do is you want to have your user's name. Okay, so braided salon user's name. You want to write it down. Uh, say at what do you say? Let's say Oscar 214. That's it. Oh, someone has the username is Nabella. Please version that's already taken. Okay, so let's say braided 214. Let's see. See? So braided 214, that's gonna be your user's name. That's the first thing you need to set. Usernames. I have to write it down as well because I have to remember, okay, when I'm signing in. So braided salon at braided 214. That's the same thing you're gonna do. You have to write it down so you won't forget. And when you're signing in, there will be no issue because Facebook are very strict when in this regard. Okay, so create your user's name. That's the first thing you need to do. Bam, you're all set. User's name is Braided 214 has been created for Braided Salon. Okay, then click OK. Boom. Now, the same thing, okay? You just want to have to add your, let's say, logo, upload photo. Same thing. You want to get your logo and have it there, save it. It's it's about branding, right? You want to have your brand, in the market and in your social media. This one, as I discussed already, so upload photo, video. That's what we're gonna do. And same thing, use your whatever Facebook cover that you want to have in there. Basically, bam, and then save. There you go. Okay, it's so simple. And as you go along, you're gonna have to uh, change it from time to time. But basically, that's what it is. And I will advise you to go to the setting. See, this is way different from your personal, right? Because this is a business page. There are more kind of like, restriction things that you need to customize, in order for your business to run, you know, uh, pretty good. Okay, so the first thing you need to go on this column here is to publish, publish it. So it says it's already published. And let's see how it goes here. So allow visitor to the page to publish posts. Okay, it is up to you to decide if you're going to allow visitor. But sometimes your visitor can harm your business. They might send a comment or anything that they publish, would people would see that, right? So before what I will do is before you can allow it, right? For your own good too. But sometimes negative reviews will bring, not a good image to your business, right? So before you do that, what I want to do is I'm going to review the posts by other people before they are published to the page. That's, I think, the best thing that you need to do. They can post in your, because if they say good thing about your product, you want to uh, have that in your page and people will see that, right? But if they send you a negative uh, review, that's another thing, right? So you have to check first and review before you allow them to publish. So allow newsfeed audience selection, post visibility, just leave it that way. Post and story sharing, you can do that. That is perfectly fine. The main thing I want to emphasize here is the page moderation. This is where when visitor or audience, your audience, let's say you're running a business services, right? You don't want to have you don't want these people write down like negative review on your page, right? Let's say they can say you are a scam, your product is bad, you know let's say if you're running a e-commerce, let's say you got a crap product, so you want to limit the action of doing that by uh, creating awards here that Facebook would not allow. That makes sense. So let's say, for example, scam. Okay, I'm gonna have that scam. So every time a person wants to write down something on your page, that word will not show up, and it will, Facebook would not let that word stay or written, so it will, it, Facebook will not allow it at all. So for some reason, so set up a phrases or word that you can what do you call this? You can block, so people cannot do any harm on your page. Okay, so crap, that's the word, right? MLM, those kind of thing, right? Multi-level scammers. You want to have those word. What am I doing? Scammers. Okay. Okay, I have to do this. Okay. Cheap. If you are whatever negative phrases or words, you want to block them, so they won't be able to say something bad, and for you to having a bad reputation, right, or bad images. So that's the first thing, that's a big thing, right? And let's say, okay, it depends on your service, right? Whatever business you're running, let's say if you're running a liquor store, or adult material, you don't want to have people visit you, uh, age age range from 13 going down, right? So you have to check this age restriction on what type of business that you are running. If you are running a like no age restriction, then it could be for family. So you better check what the ages that you want to have here. So let's say, on my case, we do digital marketing and social media marketing, right? So website design. So we target people who are 21 and over. Okay, so that's what basically my target age restriction. Okay, so just save changes, and then page moderation here. This is also important. I think we saved this one, right? Oh, I think we didn't save. So anyway, the things that I did, you have to save it. Profanity. Okay, this is so important. You want to have, you don't want to anyone say something really, like curse or anything bad, words that written on your pages. So you want to have to set that up on strong level. Okay, then save changes, and then page update, post in multiple, translate. I think basically that's what it is, right? You set up already. And let's see, this is where you can see your analytic, right? When you start posting, for the time being you're not gonna see anything, the insight, right? Things what is going on your Facebook account, so publishing tools, and there's a lot more that I can see now. you can see that there's already one person. We just started, right? So Facebook is trying to, deliver all your posts, organically. So this is where you can see what is going on, and we are going to discuss that later in our next video. So we've created your personal plus your wait a minute. We created your personal plus your fan page, which is this one here, and your personal is this one here. It's kind of like different, right? So there's two different account. This is your page, okay? That's it. This is where you're going to have your most of the time, just pure business. You're not gonna tell your stories or your whatever dramas comes in your life. You don't want to have that here, okay? Anyway, I think that's it for today. And in the next video, we are going to teach you how to create your group page and the business manager's account, which is very, very important in running a Facebook advertisement. Well, this is Oscar again from Monkey Media Marketing. Thank you and have a good day. Bye.